We are pleased to show you the 2016 M6. M, the most powerful letter in the universe. This barely street-legal M6 is filled with the power usually reserved for the racetrack. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.